like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
Hello and welcome to York Girls Bowling. My name is Coach Katie Turnbull and I am the head girls bowling coach at York High School. I've been the head coach for 7 years now, and I'm also a York graduate and a York Girls Bowling alum. And I can tell you, it is one of the best sports to be a part of at York High School. York Bowling is one of the oldest girls sports at York High School as well. We're a highly successful team and we're currently the conference, regional, and sectional defending champions. We've also qualified for state at the varsity level the last 6 years in a row, including 2 state finalists at last year's state meet. Girls bowling is a winter sport, so it runs from November to February each year. It is a cut sport, and we typically keep about 24 to 26 girls on a team each year. But you don't need experience to try out for the girls bowling team. If you are brand new to the sport of bowling, but if you're willing to learn, it's a great sport to try out for. We practice every single day at Stardust Bowl in Addison, and we have dual meets during the week and tournaments on Saturdays. There are 2 official levels for bowling, varsity and JV, and that's what we compete at for all of our dual meets. Tournaments are sometimes varsity only, and sometimes they're varsity and JV. We also keep a third team known as JV2, which includes newer or younger bowlers. This is to give you an opportunity to learn and get a couple of competitions in each year, so you can keep learning to bowl and advancing your skills to move on to the JV and varsity levels as you advance through the program. It's such a great sport to be a part of, and the bowling team is really a family, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. If you're interested in learning more or would like to try out next year, please put your information in the form on the York Bowling website, and we will contact you before next season starts. If you have any questions, you can also contact me at my email address, kturnbull@elmhurst205.org, with any questions that you have. I hope you consider trying out for the bowling team. We'd be so excited to have you. Thank you so much.